So today I'm going to show you guys how to do part 4 of the stamp assignment. That seems to be the part that trips people up if they get confused on one part of it. It seems to be this. So for stamp part 4, you are supposed to go into student planning and enter in the classes that your advisor laid out for you in stamp part 3. So to get into that, you have to go to self-service. So I go to my RVC. I have it bookmarked on my tabs across the top. But when you go to the Rock Valley website, my RVC is right up here. So you can click on that in the yellow banner, and that will get you to the same screen. So then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here to self-service. And I'm going to go ahead and go into self-service. All right, so mine might have a few different options here than yours since I have advisor status or privilege in this. So there might be some extra things that you don't have, but you do have student planning, and so do I. So I'm going to go ahead and click on student planning. And in order to put in your classes for the upcoming semesters, like into your plan, we're going to click on our 2 option, go to plan and schedule. And that takes us to this screen. So it automatically gives you this calendar view. So for doing the student planning, that's not super helpful. We're going to go ahead and click on timeline, and that will show you kind of these snapshots of the upcoming semesters and if there are any classes planned. So for mine here, you can see that nothing is planned so far. So I'm going to go ahead and search for a class to plan for the future. So I'm going to go ahead and search for English 101. It's a very common class that almost everybody needs. Click on our little search icon, and we have results here. So when it comes up for English 101, composition, 3 credits, then I'm going to click on add course to plan. So here you actually have to scroll down to where it says select a term, and then you have to click on what term you want this class to be planned for. So I'm going to do spring credit 2023, and then I can click add course to plan. So now when I go back to my plan and schedule, the class should show up for my spring semester. So again, I'm going to click on timeline, and here we go, spring credit 2023. English 101 is in my plan. So you're going to continue that same process for all of your classes, for all of your upcoming semesters. You can add semesters that are listed, like if they're not listed here, you can add them.